Okay, so for this next row, we're gonna be working back loop only, and we're gonna be starting this with a color change. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into just the back loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm gonna take my new yarn that we're switching to, set that over my hook, pull that through the next stitch. So I'm gonna go in. I'm also gonna take my 2 yarn tails and incorporate them into this just to help lock them in place a little better. Okay, I'm gonna do that a couple more times. So just going in again to just the back loop, not the next whole stitch. Okay, and okay, so I'll complete my row as normal. This is about what your stitches should start to look like.